Welcome to the centralized drone bureaucracy. Hi everybody, my name is Freddie Sedano and this is Pickle Rick. Pickle Rick and I love flying Lance-approved missions near airports. The two most important factors when considering drone flying are safety and liability. In the past 2 weeks, I've had multiple aircraft come within 300 feet of my drone. And that has made me rethink my entire drone safety. These are the LED lights that I've used and tested. This is the Lume Cube drone light. The whole LED light is a button itself and ends up getting pressed accidentally. One color LED. This is the Ulanzi DR10. Smaller profile, dedicated on-off button, tricolor LED. There are a lot of rebrands of this one. Both have a range of about 800 feet. Past 1200 feet they are invisible. Both are attached by Velcro. I'm going to save you time and hassle and money. Get the Firehouse Arc V. This is the one you want. And at about the same price point, $34. By far, these are the brightest of the three. According to Firehouse, they are rated to 1000 lumens and are focused to project light out into the world. I mount the Arc V with 3D printed mounts specifically for my Mavic Air 2, made by aerialpixel.com. Inserting the Arc V is very easy and secure. Installing the mounts to your drone is easy and secure. These are much better than Velcro. At 2,000 feet, red and green were still visible. At 3,000 feet, red and green were gone, but the two whites were still visible. Oddly enough, I could almost see a shadow of the drone. At 3,500 feet, the whites were not visible against the sky, but were against the darker backdrop of the hills. According to Firehouse Technology, these lights are rated to 3 statute miles of visibility. According to my tests, with these Arc 5s, I will be able to give pilots at least a mile lead time, though at their altitudes, they might be able to see the bright lights against dark ground.